Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about two different roles which is ruling in IT industry. So that is Java full stack developer and data engineer. So there are plenty of IT domains available in software industry. So it could be cyber security, it could be networking, it could be data related domains, it could be management, it could be software engineer, it could be system designer. There are plenty of domains available in IT industry. So though two different roles only plays very crucial role. So why? Because if you learn these two technology, you will get plenty of opportunities. You can do whatever you want with the help of these two technology. Yes, so I'm going to discuss about these two only. Without a further delay, let's get started. And this is Priya Talks. I am posting a video through my experience. Do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification. Alright, so first of all, we'll discuss about like a Java developer. So if you want to before that, let's discuss about what Java developer will do, what all their responsibilities. If you learn Java developer can do Java based applications, that is web based application they can build. They will design the application, they will test the application, they will maintenance the application. So many of us will think that if you learn Java, you will only do coding. But when it's come to like a project, that is not a like actual scenario. So you can do multiple things. Sometimes you will do documentation, sometimes you will do like maintenance thing, sometimes you will do operational related works. So not only you are going to do coding, so it involves all those things working together, so that we can call it as like a Java developer. So this is what Java developer do, whereas what data engineer will do. So data engineer not only do analyzing data, and top of that they will create the application, they will design the data, and they will generate the report. So why they have to generate the report? Because based on this they will come to one conclusion, so that they can make them to understand. When I say they can make them to understand, it is like stakeholders. So based on their decision only, we'll come up with some conclusions. Some we can make our performance related decisions, or we can make our profitability decisions, right? So this is what data engineer will do. And now you will get to know that clarity about two different roles. And the next one is like a technology part. So if you want to become a Java developer, or if you want to become a data engineer, what are the skills it is required to become a Java developer? So if you are like freshers, so first of all, you have to learn Java. Java is like a vast, it's like an ocean. There are plenty of topics is available. So it will take hardly 4 to 5 months if you want to explore your skill in Java. But if you are a fresher, it will take hardly like 1 month, because recruiter, they won't ask you like very advanced questions, they will ask you like very basic questions. If you want to learn like basic, you have to spend at least like 1 month, right? So that you can get to know the concepts, the topics, the concepts related programming questions. Within 1 month is enough to learn like basic things of like Java. So along with that, you should learn like Spring framework. So nowadays Spring Boot is, it's like booming. So every company projects, we are using like a Spring Boot framework only. So along with that, you should learn like a Spring Boot, and top of that, microservice like another concepts. So it will have like many advantages. That topic also very important to learn, because in previously we are building application called monolithic applications, but nowadays every service will be split into like microservice. So you have to learn like microservice. So along with that, you have to learn like any database thing. So it could be like SQL, or it could be like NoSQL. So if you learn like two different SQLs, so it will create more credibility on your resume. So this is what you have to learn if you want to become like a Java developer. And when it's come to like a data engineer, if you want to become a data engineer, so you have to come up with like a Python. So along with that, so there we have a like Spring Boot framework, right? But here also we have some framework that is which is related to like a big data framework. So that is Hadoop or else Spark framework only we are using in our project. And along with that, so here also SQL is very important, because by using a query only we are fetching the data. So here SQL plays major roles. When I say SQL, you have to majorly know about the joins, left joins, inner join, outer join, right join, every joints you have to learn, you have to know, right? So these are all things you have to learn if you want to become a Java developer, or if you want to become like a data engineer. And career opportunities, if you compare these two different roles, what are the career opportunity? So if you learn one technology like a Java, not only you can become a Java developer, but also you can become a what else, software developer, and Java full stack, and database administrator, and cloud architect, AWS engineer, and DevOps engineer. See what these the roles you can switch if you learn like one skill called like Java. So these are all the plenty of opportunities if you enroll yourself within this role, correct? That is what still Java plays major role in IT industry. So later we can switch based upon our interest, whatever domain we want. So later you can switch if you want to export only for like DevOps, if you want to export only for like AWS, you can switch later on. And if you learn like a data engineer, what are all the career opportunities? So there you can become a data architect, cloud architect. So there also you can become like a database administrator, because you have learned like SQL query, right? So here also will have an opportunity called to become a database administrator. So these are all the opportunities. And if you don't get chance to become a data engineer, you can get go with like a data analyst role also. So there also skill set is like very similar. So if you don't want to become a data engineer, after some time you can become a data scientist also. So there you need to require many skills, that is AL, machine learning, NLP, how we can predict, how we can analyze the data. So there are lots of advanced concepts involved when it's come to like a data scientist. So these are all the major things, I mean career opportunities if you learn two different technologies. And the last is like a salary part. Have searched many websites, but I do not find the exact salary in 2024. I got only the expired one, that is 2021 average salary, 2022 average salaries, that is what I got. But I don't get the exact salary of what does Java developer will get, what is like how much data engineer will get. It's completely based upon your experience, it's completely based upon your locations, it's completely based upon like your project. And as much as I know, nowadays data engineer role is it's booming, because if you take any shopping related applications, that is if you take Amazon, if you take Myntra, Flipkart, so it is running through the data. How much sale is going, how much stock is getting, so this particular product, so which particular area, age category people like buying this product. These are all the data. Based upon this data only they are launching the product, so they are creating the product, right? So nowadays data engineer role is like booming when it's compared to like Java developer, I mean Java full stack developer also. So what I thought is, I searched in Amazon. So now freshers in Amazon, if you crack a data engineer role in Amazon, you will get average salary of like 7 to 9 LPA. I am telling about like a data engineer role. But if you crack in Java developer role, you will get on around like 5 to 6 LPA. That is like product based companies. If it is like service based companies, you will get like very less amount. So this is what average salary I could say right away. Yes, that's all guys. So I'm sure this video going to be make quick decisions, what is the role, how we can switch from one to another, how we'll get the career opportunity if you learn like one technology, right? So you can share this video with your friends, the relatives, your colleagues. Thank you so much guys. So we will meet you on next video.